quick video here, just show some of the maintenance fixing I gotta do once in a while. This here motor up here that drives the top of the roller, the pinion gear, I changed it last week because the top of it stripped out. Now here today did it again. So I did take it apart as much as I did, so I get this bottom conveyor out, completely take it apart, and I changed the bearings out down here. It was quite a job because pins didn't want to come out, so I had to take quite a bit apart, pry some stuff apart. Fortunately, didn't bend anything out of shape too bad, but got it all back together again. Fairly big components had come out. Be probably 2-3 weeks ago. Had to pull this apart where the vibrator motor is. Thought the motor was toast, and it turned out to be that the shaft that counterweights are on to make it vibrate. The bearing, one bearing, it's seized up pretty bad, but the bearing had a rubber seal on it. I was able to peel up with my number 11 blade and squirted some penetrating oil in there and blowing air and got all the crap out of it and got it turning freely again, and then pack it full of grease and put it back together. So screener for the most part has been pretty good, but it does this really fine clay. It finds its way into places it shouldn't. Now to put it all back together, take about 30 minutes maybe.